Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the Senton 6S V3. We've got the optional 16-tooth pinion gear in there. We're going to be testing it out on 4S and 6S. Okay, so here we go. 4S run first. Oh, it's just swerving a bit. Okay, here we go, Noah. 54. Gee, that's not as quick as I thought it was going to be. I thought it would have been up towards the 70s. Really? 54? 6S? Is there? Alright, we'll wait for the car to pass. Okay, here we go. Second pass. Let's try that again, Noah. 54 again. Oh, I do have a GPS in the car. We'll see if it's any different there, but yeah, I thought it would have been a lot quicker for some reason. Alright, let's try one more time, Noah. Woo! I went under the car to try and avoid the other car. Alright, we got 55 that time. Alright, let's see what the GPS says here. I'm assuming it'll be about the same. Don't think it's going to be any different. Ugh. What do we got? What do we got? 55. There we go. Alright, well that's all that this is going to do. I think we're a long way off from 100 miles an hour. Oh, sorry, from 60 miles an hour, which is 100 k's. But yeah, it does have the optional pinion in there. I'm totally confused. Alright, let's go 6S and see what happens. Alright, so here we go. 6S, 16-tooth pinion. I have a feeling this is not going to get anywhere near 60 miles an hour. I think something is up here. Here we go, Noah. 78 that time. Yeah, we're nowhere near 60 mile an hour. Alright, let's go one more time, Noah. I thought that this was going to do 60, I guess not. Needs a bigger pinion. Here we go, Noah. 82. Alright, that's nice. That's good, that's better. 82 is good. Wait for the car to pass and we'll go one last run. Alright, here we go. Last run. Whoop. Watch where you're going, guys. Gonna go a little bit out. Clear behind me, Noah.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, here we go. 78 again. So 82 was best. Can I have a look? 78, there it is. Alright, let's see what our GPS says. Well, I'm actually quite shocked that this doesn't do 100 or 97 at least with the optional pinion. There we go, 82. So both GPS and the radar gun are spot on today. No lies here, no shiftiness, so it's all pretty much legit. Car is, you know, it's pretty beat up because I did give it a hiding yesterday, but aside from that, yeah, I was expecting a little bit more out of it. I guess it needs a bigger pinion. Alright, that's it for this running video, for this speed test. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.